Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Breaking Science channel. Listen up folks, there's a new hero in town and it's not your typical cape-wearing, super-powered being. No, this hero comes in the form of a tiny, six-legged critter that you might have squished without a second thought, the ant. Researchers at the University of Sorbonne, Paris North have discovered that ants have the incredible ability to sniff out cancer. And not just any kind of cancer, but the aggressive and notorious breast cancer. The study, published in the Proceedings of the Royal Society B. Biological Sciences, showed that ants can be easily trained and have a keen sense of smell, which makes them the perfect candidate for cancer detection. In the study, the team trained worker ants of the species Formica fusca, also known as the silky ant, to recognize biomarkers of the aggressive breast cancer. The ants were trained to associate the smell of cancer biomarkers with a sweet, sugary treat. The ants were then presented with the urine of mice carrying tumors and the urine of tumor-free mice, and after just 3 rounds of training, the ants spent 20% more time in the vicinity of the urine from the mice with tumors. Cancer is a leading cause of death worldwide, and early detection is crucial for the best outcome for patients. But most early detection tools are either invasive or expensive, making ants a particularly attractive alternative. Ants are relatively easy to keep. They don't require expensive rearing facilities, and they can be trained to recognize specific odors in relatively few trials. This study specifically looked at the ants' ability to sniff out breast cancer biomarkers, but the ants have previously been shown to respond to the biomarkers of ovarian cancer, and they can distinguish between different cancer types. This means that there's a possibility that ants can detect not just breast tumors, but other types of cancer as well. However, there are some factors that could alter the smell of urine between individuals, such as the patient's diet, sex, and age, which can impact the odor of the urine. The team controlled these factors in their study by using mice, but they will need to test if these factors will affect the ant's ability to detect tumors in humans. If the ant's ability to detect cancer is significantly impacted by these factors, the insects would need to be trained on different age groups, sexes, and diets, so they learn to focus only on the presence of cancer biomarkers and not on these other confounding factors. Only further experiments will give us definitive answers. So, there you have it folks. The next time you see an ant, you might just want to give it a little salute, because it might just be the superhero we need to save the day in the fight against cancer. Who knows, we might even have an army of ant superheroes on the front lines of cancer detection in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. Support the channel with a like and share the news with your friends. See you soon.